Hello everyone. I'm again coming to your mole concept chapter number 5. Now as you all know, through the revised syllabus 5A, 5B, 5D are excluded now. So we will take only 5C. So for 5C I'm coming for the percentage composition today. So this particular thing we have already done in class 9th also. So just write the formulas clearly in your copy that percentage composition किसको बोलते हो आप परसेंटेज कॉम्पोजिशन किसी एक मॉलिक्यूल में इफ़ यू आर फाइंडिंग आउट व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट इज प्रेजेंट दैट इज़ योर परसेंटेज कॉम्पोजिशन राइट सो परसेंटेज कॉम्पोजिशन विल बी इक्वल टू द टोटल वेट ऑफ द एलिमेंट राइट डिवाइडेड बाय GMM multiply by what 100. Now this is your percentage composition. So through this particular formula we will be solving all the questions, right? This is your first part, percentage composition. Second part, if I talk about, that is how to determine the empirical formula. Empirical formula. Now empirical formula, as you all know, what do you mean by empirical formula? Empirical formula किसको बोलते हो? Empirical formula होता है like if you are given a substance, particular molecule, उसके अंदर कौन कौन से elements present हैं and in the simplest ratio, that is your empirical formula. Suppose if I talk about C6H6, so 6 ones are 6 ones are, that means empirical formula will be CH, right? If I talk about C6H12O6, you have to see the lowest number. 6 ones are 6 twos are 12, 6 ones are, so that will be C1H2O1. So these are your empirical formulas. So as we will proceed, I'll let you know how to go with the things. Fine. Now coming to your 5C exercise, come to question number 3. Just see question number 3. For C6H6, what will be your empirical formula? CH, right? For this is your first one. For second, that is your C6H8O3. No common factor is there. C3H8O3. No common factor is there. So empirical formula will be as it is, C6H8O3. Third part, if I talk about C2H2, again it cancels, it will be CH. Fourth, if I talk about, that is your CH3COOH. Now you have to count here. How many C are there? See now. How many C are here? 1, 2. So you have to write C2. How many H are there? 3 plus 1, 4. So H4. How many O are here? 2. So O2. Now you see the common factor. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 ones are. So answer comes out to be C1H2O1. Right? So this is your, what we say it as, empirical formula. I hope it's clear to everyone. The question is clear. So you have to practice this in this way, that how to calculate the formula.